Hey, swing batter.
Oh, nice hit.
Shit, I got it.
Woo!
Nice hit. Hold on.
Wait till Daddy gets.
Hold on. Wait a minute. 1 minute.
Whoa! Hey, Betta Betta.
Ball.
You're hitting pretty well with that skinny stick. Ooh, dribbler.
Broken bat. Broken bat. Oh.
Foul tip. Strike 2. Gonna get the other bat?
You want the big bat? Do some damage? See, yep. It's like playing pro ball with an aluminum bat.
Chris, not. Alright, batter. Hey, batter.
Home run!
Nice hit, Kyle. Can you say nice hit? Alright, jeez.
Nice hit!
In the bucket.
Oh, you're out.
Strike 3, you're out.
Right here. Here you go. I got it.
Watch that bat.
Oh, foul tip. Nice hit.
Alright, before I get killed.
Oh, foul